Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying hardware and account access so the process won't fail midway. Once done, sign into your admin account and clean the finger you'll register. Oils interfere with the sensor. Open System Settings, choose Touch ID and Password, then click Add Fingerprint to begin the guided enrollment. You'll place and lift your finger repeatedly. This captures multiple angles. Move slightly between placements, so the sensor learns edges and center. This improves reliability when you unlock later. Now focus on quality. The system asks for many brief touches because it builds a composite image. You should vary pressure and angle, press firmly, then lighter, rotate a bit, so the sensor records ridge patterns from multiple perspectives. Make sure progress fills to 100%. Incomplete scans lead to false rejects. Once the main print is captured, add a second finger if you regularly use it for unlocking or payments. Having a backup finger avoids lockouts when one finger is wet or injured. Finish by toggling the specific uses you want: unlock, Apple Pay, App Store purchases, and autofill, so Touch ID works where you need it. Test unlocking a few times, then restart to confirm persistence. If it misreads, delete and re-enroll the fingerprints. Wipe the sensor and your finger, and remove any sleeve or case interfering with the palm. As a troubleshooting tip, if problems persist, re-enroll after an SMC reset or consider Mac OS update. Factory reset is a last resort step because it's disruptive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.